Welcome to our statistics series. Today we are diving into the median, which is simply the middle value when data is ordered. It is a fundamental concept in understanding the 50th percentile. So, what exactly is the median? It is the number found at the exact middle position of a dataset. Unlike the average, we do not add numbers up. We look for position. But there is one crucial rule: the data must be sorted first. This step is non-negotiable. If you look at raw, unsorted data, the middle number is meaningless. You must arrange the numbers from smallest to largest before you can identify the true median. Finding the median is easiest when you have an odd number of values. For example, if you have 5 numbers, there is one number that sits perfectly in the center, with an equal number of values on its left and right. But what if you have an even number of values, like 6 numbers? In this case, there is no single middle number. You take the 2 numbers in the very center and calculate their average. Add them together and divide by 2. Why do we bother with the median if we have the mean? Because the median is resistant to outliers. If one person in a group is a billionaire, the average income skyrockets, but the median stays grounded, representing the typical person in that group. In statistical terms, the median is known as the 50th percentile. It is the boundary line that splits a population exactly in half. 50% of the data is below it, and 50% is above it. This is why you often hear about median household income or median home prices in the news. These figures give a much more realistic picture of what a typical family earns or pays without being skewed by the super wealthy. Let's recap. Always sort your data first. Find the middle position. If there are 2 middle numbers, average them. Remember that the median helps ignore extreme outliers and represents the true center of the data. Thank you for watching this overview of the median. You now have a solid grasp of how to find the middle ground in any dataset.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.